Hey guys, this is problem number 30 from the Algebra 1 SOL simulation. A line passes through the point -3, 2 and has a slope of 1/3. Which of the following points also lies on this line? Well, to be able to figure out which of the points lies on the line, we need an equation of the line. Given the information, we should use point-slope form, which is y minus y sub 1 equals the slope times x minus x sub 1. So using point slope form, we fill in our values, y minus our y sub 1, which is 2. So y minus 2 equals our slope, which is 1/3, times the quantity x minus our x sub 1, which is -3. So minus a minus turns that into plus. So we have x plus 3. Now, from there, we want to write this in slope-intercept form. It will simplify things for us. So do the distributive property, multiply 1/3 across the parentheses. So 1/3 times x would be 1/3 x plus 1/3 times 3 is 1. On the left side of the equation, we haven't changed anything there yet, so that's still y minus 2. Now, all we have left to do to solve for y is add 2 to both sides. So if we add 2 to both sides, we'd have y equals 1/3 x plus 3. Now we have an equation of a line that we can substitute in our values from each of the ordered pairs. Since we're going to be multiplying x times 1/3, in other words dividing by 3, if we plug -2 in for x, we're going to end up with a fraction. And our y values are integers. So that's probably not a good one to check, because when you plug that in, you're going to end up with a fraction, and a fraction is never going to equal an integer. So that would not be an answer we need to check. The same for this one. If we plug 5 in for x, we're going to have 5 divided by 3, which gives us a fraction, which is not going to give us an integer value. So that's not a value we need to check. -9 is divisible by 3, so we should check that one. Plug that in for x. So we would have y equals 1/3 times -9 plus 3. Well, -9 divided by 3 is -3. So -3 plus 3 will equal 0. So we get y equals 0. Well, look and see. Does that check with this value here? Well, no, we want a y value of 1. So that doesn't work. So let's try it with our next value. Plug 6 in for x. So we would have y equals 1/3 times 6 plus 3. 6 divided by 3 gives us 2 plus 3. So we have y equals 2 plus 3. And when we simplify that, we get y equals 5. Well, check this value. Is that what our y equals? It does. So D would be the correct answer to this problem.